until the birds take one of us away. You know?
Mike didn't need to get two burgers so he can pull the Gordon Ramsay
I
joke.
think I think they're gonna target me mostly because I got a burger in my head.
What
I
I
will
do?
stay put. An idiot sandwich.
I think if I met Gordon Ramsay, I think I want to do that.
Give him 2 pieces of bread and get him to yell at you.
Yeah. Well, that's like Xana with chaos.
No!
My
shit!
Wait, that goes.
The dinner bell has been rang.
The birds can't get my hair down. My burger.
Yeah, I'm gonna make friends with the bird. Never mind.
I am a burger. I like my. Oh, Xander left.
What?
Oh, he's still in the game. He's just with party chat.
Nanda, join. Birds.
Can you hear us,
Rabbit.
Santa?
Yeah, okay. I
Birds.
guess I got disconnected.
Take him,
Oh.
birds. Take him away.
I freaking kill you!
Bird.
I'm just
Take
gonna
him.
stay absolutely still.
Oh.
I'm staying still, Mimi. Excuse me.
Bird. Take her away.
I sacrifice thee.
Take her away. You can't hit me. Birds. Take her away.
Yeah, Kenzie,
the
she's a
birds
cat.
want
She
me.
eats your kind.
I'm just a lonely spider.
The birds eat you.
Why don't the bird want to eat you? Bird. Take him. Why are they all blue? Why are they one yellow?
I'm camouflaging.
Oh, wait! Wait! I was kidding!
You're like, what
Hey,
you
man,
say?
you
What
said
us
you
blue
were-
ones?
Take that one.
Oops.
Down the gun. Oh. Oh. Yeah, bird. Oh! Wait.
Look who
Thank
won by
you.
staying still.
Oh, now they go for you.
Now they want me.
The birds off of Cinderella's gone mad.
Wait!
Oh.
Oh.
I freaking kill you!
What'd I do? Oh, damn.
You
There
killed me.
were dragons. Oh.
Rude? Rude much?
Get back here.
Damn.
Go.
This bird is dead. This bird is dead.
Oh,
Can't see him.
no!
A bird.
No!
Take him. Take him.
Don't take me, I don't want to go!
Take the guy with the helmet.
No!
Yeah. Oh.
Run away!
Oh, they're going after you, Xander. Oh. Get away from my burger.
I think I like women. Xander looks like he's a timeout or something.
Or what?
I think he looks like he's in a timeout.
I'm pouting.
Kinda looks like it.
Damn, he looks like he's just on TV.
Do-do-do-do.
Mike doing some sort of yoga.
Oh no! Get off me, you dumb bird!
It's got me belt.
Oh,
It's on me.
Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey!
wait, wait.
Taking you away.
Bring me back.
Beat the shit out of you, dumb bird. You got me.
No. No.
Ah!
Let go of me. Ah. Let go of my hand. Ow. I knock you birds out. Get off of me. You want away from me.
No, no, no.
Got me.
No. Up yours, birds. Ah! Let go. Let go.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
Ah.
Oh shit. Yeah. No, no, no. Let go. No. No. Yeah. No. Sweet
Let
Jesus,
go of
no.
me.
No, no, no. No.
No. No.
No. Ha!
Ooh,
Oh,
wow.
again. Oh, didn't work.
Like you did a somersault.
Oh.
Oh shit. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Give me that
No.
burger.
No.
Back for that.
Never.
Give me the burger.
Oh,
What?
Oh.
Refresh his nips?
Yeah. What?
Oh. Okay.
what nip?
Oh.
I don't know. All I heard Brad say was, "We gotta refresh your nips, buddy." So I look, I'm like,
Oh.
what?
What does that mean?
It's catnip.
Oh,
Oh.
Jesus. Die.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh.
Rah. I did. Oh,
Come back here. No.
Straight.
E.
okay.
You gonna die, man.
Well, get
Ah,
it
damn it.
yourself a ooh.
Take the child.
No.
Hurry, take him.
Don't do it.
Yeah.
Take him.
Don't
We're
do
gonna
it.
we're gonna be linking.
I wonder if they can take both of us if you'd have to take you.
Oh, it's a lion.
Just with screaming your butt in my face.
Oh my god.
We're being Lion King.
Yep, I just gave you the English version of Lion King.
Yeah, that can't get on my head now. If no
You spin me right around. Oh, you dropped me. Now it's not gonna work.
Oh,
They're coming after us, Edna.
hurry!
You
Keep
were not
moving
drinking.
around, man. No. Oh,
My
they took your
hand.
burger.
Wait.
Take all four of us.
Oh wait, why
Hey!
Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh no no no!
Why is there so many birds?
Oh,
Run,
why?
Sandra, come on.
Bring me
I
back.
gotta run.
I'm back.
Oh,
bird keeps gnawing at my butt.
It's
apparently you have a great smelling ass, apparently. Or there's something up your ass.
I'm dead. Nope, I'm back.
Ow!
Oh shit.
Hey, what happens if I pick up Dan, or Dan pick up Mikey now? Pick
No,
up
no,
you?
no, 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 no. Let go, you stupid
no.
bird. No.
Take
Ah.
him away!
Ah!
Take him away!
Hey, there's an injured bird right there. Andy, you injured a bird.
Hey, yay,
Oh, my
yay,
goodness.
yay, yay.
Oh no.
No! Leave me be,
Oh, you
dumb
stupid
birds!
bird.
I never did anything to you.
Don't do it, don't do it. Ooh.
Let go of me.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh.
No.
Never. Never, bird. No. Oh, no. Switches. No. No. Never. You should never take me.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 bird. We do not gnaw at the kitty.
Don't do it, Mike!
Come
We
on,
do not
Daddy.
gnaw on the kitty.
No! Don't do it, man! No! No!
You come with me, man. We're both going to paradise.
Let go!
Holy crap.
Fuck.
Can we even do that? Can we even like pick each other up? Damn.
Come back
do you
here,
mean?
man.
Hey guy, hey there, come here. Ah, come here.
What?
I'm not gonna do anything to you. Just come
I trust
here. Just come here.
you. Yeah, I'm good.
No, I'm not gonna do anything to you.
I'm good.
Okay, Mike, come
The
here.
glass breaks and he falls.
Hey, Mike, come here.
No. Yeah.
Santa,
Oh.
come here.
Leave me be.
I'm not gonna do anything to
No.
I don't trust you.
you. I just want to see like if I can pick you up. Then what happens if like can I try?
At least it wasn't Mike this time.
Are you okay? Santa. Are you sure you're okay down the back? I just stare at you the whole time, see if you're gonna move. $5 you won't move in 5 minutes.
You guys look like you guys look like you're taking turns throwing up after, you know, a hard night.
That was some party.
Oh,
Now you're gonna go to Fat Burger.
This was as bad as me last couple weeks ago.
Ozzy though.
I drank 1 bottle of Crown Royal, and after that I was like, I'm doing awesome, and I was like playing Ark and I kept dying.
Oh.
And then after that I was like, I'm gonna make it to the bathroom. I didn't make it. Now I woke up the next morning and looked in my bathroom.
Oh, no,
Oh.
No, 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 no. Damn it.
You birds can't catch me. Get Kenzie, not me.
We just napping.
No. Never.
Now just stare at her.
Can't even look in your birds like whatever.
Ugh. No, let go, you dumb birds.
That was rude. You bed just headbutted me.
It wasn't me. The bird told me to do it. Oh shit. No, 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 no. Oh.
Take you away.
Yeah.
There.
One more game and I gotta get some Z's.
Oh,
Oh.
crap.
Oh, Jesus.
No. No, no.
I sacrificed the
No, no,
spider.
no, 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 no.
Oh, shit.
Die, man.
Oh, crap.
Damn it. Oh,
Yeah.
I'm already
No,
knocked
no, no,
out.
no, no.
Oh.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh,
What'd you get?
Mike's beating me to death.
Oh. Oh, we should never take the burger hat.
Kill you, man. Damn it.
Oh. Oh.
You coming with me, man?
No. Not today. Oh. Grab my hand. Come on, man. You're not dying that easily. Break the glass.
No.
Oh.
I'm
Yeah.
still alive. Oh,
Well, how are you so hard?
I don't know. Hanging on.
I didn't think that was gonna work.
Ah. Oh.
It wasn't me.
No, 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 no. Don't kill the spider.
Don't
No.
die.
You're the bird's favorite food, man.
Damn it. No, no, no. No, no, no.
Ow.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
You come with me, man.
Ah!
Yeah.
Damn it.
Cow. Damn it. No, no, no.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Die, spider.
Damn it. No! Right.
You dying bird? Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Leave me alone.
I didn't do anything.
You wear my competitor's helmet. But yeah.
Oh. Damn it.
You,
Not do it. Not do it.
the winner fights the Burger King. Ash, I'll wait at the top.
Oh. Not do it.
Finish him. No. I can't see from here anyway.
Yeah.
Take me, my birds. Let me fly.
Damn it. Why?
Oh! Oh. Eh. You- Oh! Oh.
I have the birds.
You shall not win. Not this round. Ah.
Who?
Yeah.
No.
Burger wins. Apron mascot. Spider-Man.
Sup?
Oh,
Can't wait.
Victory! Ah! Make it out
he
of here.
just. Oh,
Yeah.
my hat.
No.
My powers.
Uh,
Yeah, you're like. Get out. Get out. No!
Release the bomb. Oh,
Don't do
nope.
Don't do it.
Damn
Don't do it. Back left.
it.
Oh, didn't work.
No.
Don't do it!
hell yeah.
Kenzie looked like she's gonna grab the other damn safe and brings. Ah!
Anyone come near me get foot. Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah, yeah.
God damn it. No,
Did you
Mike.
grab the ladder, Kelly?
I thought I did, and then apparently I, launched off of it.
Oh.
Get back here. Burger King, you supposed to pay Burger King back.
He went running.
I don't wanna.
Oh.
Need to live.
Get back here. Got you. Come here. Come here.
Let go. Let go.
No.
Drop
Oh.
me, man.
Come here.
No. No.
Oh.
No.
Oh, come on.
Kill you, man.
No. Oh.
I gotta
No,
kill you
no, no.
once.
No.
Damn it.
No.
No, you dumb bird. Let me go. Damn it.
Down the fly. Oh, why do I have to chuck you the other way? Yeah.
Don't touch me, bro.
Oh.
Get out of here.
Oh,
I
come on.
killed him.
I gotta win once. Give me a
Yeah,
star. Pick him up.
No.
Give me one star.
Scar, help me.
Get out.
Long live the.
Yeah.
You hit bottom on his butt.
I get a star.
First time seeing this reminds me of the stars that we used to get in kindergarten.
Yeah, you
Oh.
did a good thing.
No. No, Mike.
Oh! Get back here!
Oh, no. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
No.
This Burger King's gotta score a St. Lucie.
No.
No, I can't fly.
You sure?
I can't fly.
Oh God. Don't
You have
do
a
it,
cape, you
woman.
can probably fly.
Oh, jeez.
Don't do it. Zach, hurry.
No.
I can't run straight.
Don't do it. Oh, damn. No.
Eventually you gotta come down here, man.
Never.
Jump, I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
I don't trust you, man.
Do a flip if you're gonna jump. Look like you forgot something. You like, dang. Oh.
Run.
Oh.
Ate it. So many birds.
Oh,
Kenzie!
what's Kenzo win?
Oh. No, I was not paying attention.
Give
No.
her Xander, I got you.
No. Damn it.
No.
Victory.
I can't wait to watch you fall.
Yeah.
Mhm. Damn it.
No. Don't do it, Mike.
I'm
Couldn't do
hiding.
anything to you. No. No, damn it.
Oh, hell, the burger.
Yeah.
Oh, the bird's after me. Look at its father. Oh, no. The girl, you know.
Hey.
That bird had a vendetta against me.
Oh. No. Damn it.
Kenzu's the winner.
Long live the puss.